Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Eki. If it's your first time seeing me, you are welcome. Today's video is going to be on a beginners friendly brows tutorial, so stay tuned while we jump right into this video. I'm grooming my brows using the Gillette blade. I'm just removing the excess hair from my natural brows. I'm not going into my brows itself. I'm just keeping the edges clean so that when I draw my brows or outline it, it will look clean and neat. I'm using half of the blade that I just showed you. I love to use half of the blade. I'm so used to it, but if you want to use the full blade, it's not a problem. This is my preference. I'm just used to using half blade. And now the next thing I'll be doing is to prime my brows with the Pond's primer. I love to keep my brows matte because I produce oil around my brows, so I always prime my brows before doing any other thing. So I also use the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn to apply to my brows. That I'm just blending that out, and I'm going to be setting with the Sacha Buttercup setting powder to keep the brows in place all day long. And if you like a natural looking brows, these tips and tricks will also work for you. I personally love natural looking brows, so I always love to do these tricks just to keep my brows looking natural and keeping it matte. So I'm going in with the debbyluster brow pencil in dark brown to outline my brows, just like so. You'll want to follow your natural brows. I don't go overboard, or I don't give any extra to my brows, because when you outline your brows and then you give an extra line or space, your brows will end up looking so big that you might not be able to clean it to the size that you want. So I always follow my natural hairline. I don't go overboard. And then I'm outlining the top of my brows as well, just bringing that tail down to meet with the one that I drew earlier. So that is just the trick that you use to draw your brows, and whatever size and shape that you want the brows to look, you have to draw it before you fill your brows in. This is what works for me. I assume it will work for you as well. Let me know at the comment section below if you will be trying these tips and tricks out. Also, let me know the type of brows you love, if it's natural looking brows or a dark brows. This brows is beginners friendly. If you've not drawn brows before on yourself, trust me, if you follow the steps, you will definitely get it right. So guys, I'll be filling my brows in using the Zaron brow pencil. I love to use a light hand to fill in my brows because personally I love a natural looking brows, depending on what works for you, but I would definitely suggest that you use a light hand to fill in your brows, because you wouldn't want a dark brows by the time you're done. And I always love to use a mattifying pencil because I produce oil around my brows and I love my brows to stay matte all day, so that's why I love a matte pencil. Now guys, I'm cleaning the bottom part of my brows using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Toffe, while I'll be using the Fawn to clean the top of my brows. The brush I'm using to clean the bottom part of my brows is from LA Girl Cosmetics. The whole idea of cleaning the brows is just to keep the edges clean. I'm using the small blending brush to blend in that concealer into my skin, just so you can see the brows properly. You can see how neat and clean it's looking. It brought out the brows and make it look beautiful and bold. Next is my brow gel. I'm going to be using this Blood Cosmetic brow gel in light coffee. This brow gel just keeps my brows in place and makes it look as natural as possible, just the way I love it. So guys, if you want to see my previous video on eyeshadow tutorial, I'll be leaving the link right down at the description box below. Please do check it out. So guys, this is the final look. If you love this video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know at the comment section below if this video was helpful. Please subscribe to my channel if you've not joined the family. Leave a comment right down below, share with friends, and don't forget to ring the bell so you don't miss new videos. Stay tuned, stay blessed, and stay beautiful till I come your way next time. Bye guys.